Hey Vibes fam, welcome, 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 welcome. What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have been keeping good. On today's menu, we have some brown stew kidney, boiled yam, and banana. And here are the ingredients that I will be using today. Yes, yes, yes. Look at them. So my kidney has already been washed and seasoned. Wanna know the dealio? So I've preheated my frying pan and now I'm adding some oil and then I'm adding my kidney. My kidney is washed and seasoned with some all-purpose seasoning and I'm just using my draining spoon so I don't get a lot of the liquid into my frying pan. I have my stove on medium flame, but I have increased the fire as soon as I put all my kidney in. So I'm only doing this until the kidney is seared, and then I'm going to turn it back down on medium heat and cover it without adding any water. So yeah, cover the kidney without any water or anything and just make it dash out its own juices, and then I will go from there. So yeah, here it is, still a sear and still a do it thing. Just wanted to show you guys up close and personal what it's looking like. So guys, check out the natural juices will start to come through. So yeah, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of garlic and stir it up. Come through juices. Normally when I'm cooking kidney, I just add a little water and go through. Just keep on add a little and add a little. So cover it for 6 minutes. So here it is after 6 minutes. Look at all that natural juices. Yes. See, me not add nothing to it yet, except the browning one I just add just now, to try and get to the desired color that I want. So stir it up. And now I'm adding some additional seasoning. So some sweet pepper, scallion and onion, and of course some thyme. Mix it up. And guys, if you need more browning, then you add more browning. Just try and add the stuff them to get it to your desired liking. So now I'm going to add some hot water. And as I said, just a little bit. I just tip and go through tip, make it cook and see what I need. I not add a bag of water to the pot. No. All at once, I mean. So check it out, guys. And it smells so, so good. Mind you, this kidney season for about 5 days now. Yeah. So season down to the invisible bone. Season, may I tell her no. Season good. So cover it and I allow it to continue cooking for about 20 minutes and then I will check back and see what take place. So now let's sort out some green bananas for cook. So the hubs is peeling the bananas. By the way, guys, comment down below and tell me, what do you normally have with your kidney? What's your preferred side of choice? What you like with your kidney? Because different people like different things. Some people like bread, some people love like these banana and all sorts, dumpling, boiled dumpling and stuff. But yeah, comment down below and let me know. Peel, baby, peel. By the way, I was laughing at him with the banana. I trouble him about him peeling style. But yeah, good job, babe. You did a good job. Here are the bananas all done. Now let's add some vinegar to my boiling water. And then I'm gonna add the bananas. Peep my kidney in at the back. Bubble, kidney, bubble. Okay, so hubby is now peeling the yellow yam and he's gonna wash it. So peel it up, you know, get rid of the skin and thing and try get down to the good bits. And then he's gonna cut it up. Well, he might wash it and cut it up and then he might wash it again. And then add it to the pot with the bananas and allow it to cook until they are nice and soft. Now let's check on the kidney. So add some Scotch bonnet pepper, well, some ketchup first, and then we add some Scotch bonnet pepper. This thing is so hot, so I have to take my time. And then I'm adding some pimento powder, some black pepper, and combine it all. That looks so good. And peep the gravy. Ready. That looks so good. Now this looks amazing. So I'm going to cover it for another 2 minutes and then I'll eat that. Here it is, guys, all done and looking so good. So that's 2 minutes and it done. Yeah. Vibes fam, here we have it. Me say we have it right here, so run in on a run come. Some brown stew kidney ready and waiting to be devoured. You guys saw the steam. Wanna you see the steam? Come through, good food. Come through, guys. This is great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Any which way you like it, it's all up to you. This is my husband plate though. Yes, this is for him. Him love yellow yam. I'm not a fan. So yeah, check it out, guys. Kidney looking all good and nice and clean. Now I love my kidney like this. This is how me eat my kidney, with some white rice. Yes, I'm eating this. This is my style. And you know, some fried plantain is like the cherry on top. Yes, this is my plate. Me no love all of that. Me no like yellow yam. And the banana can go on. Yeah, you know me eat a one piece of banana, but no, I so me love it. Kidney and white rice, yeah, I saw it for eat. So yeah, guys, and here are our plates together like us. I love me some kidney. I say I love me love kidney. But as I say, I love it with some white rice. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. New watchers, please subscribe. Please, Vibes fam, hit the thumbs up and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Thanks for your support. God bless you, and please take care of yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.